Let us consider an example on probability distribution function. The example is a car hire firm has two cars which it hires out day by day. The number of demands for a car on each day is distributed as a Poisson distribution with mean 1.5. Calculate the proportion of days on which there is no demand and on which the demand is refused. So already given that it is a Poisson distribution function and the mean of the Poisson distribution is 1.5. That means mean of a Poisson distribution is m, we know it. So m is equal to 1.5. We'll write the Poisson distribution function therefore p of x, it is e power minus m power x divided by x factorial. M is 1.5, e power minus 1.5, 1.5 raised to x divided by x factorial. Now the questions asked are, what is the probability that there is no demand for a car? There is no demand means probability that x is equal to 0 it is. So put x equal to 0, we get e power minus 1.5, that is 0.2231. So the probability that there is no demand for a car on a day is 0.2231. The second question is on which the demand is refused. So here demand is refused means there are two cars with the company. Now when they can refuse the demand is if the demand is for more than two cars. If their demand is for one, they can hire out. If the demand is for two, they can hire out. They have only two cars. When there is demand for more than two cars, then they will refuse the demand. So probability that the demand is refused means it is probability that x is greater than 2. The demand is greater than 2. So it is 1 minus probability that x is less than or equal to 2. Probability that x is less than or equal to 2 means it is p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2. P of 0 is already calculated 0.2231. P of 1, put x equal to 1 on this, e raised to minus 1.5 into 1.5. 1 factorial is 1. Now next put p x as 2 in this probability function, e power minus 1.5, 1.5 whole square divided by 2 factorial, that is 2. Simplify this, then subtract the answer in 1. We get the value as 0.1912. Thus, the probability that the demand is refused is 0.1912.